how to get a Captain America shield in Minecraft. Getting a Captain America shield in Minecraft is pretty easy. It's actually really easy, as you can see. Let's just display our shield right here. The Captain America shield. You can throw it wherever you want. It's really, actually, really good. It's really fun. It's like a trident. It's like a trident. You can put loyalty on it. So now now I'm going to tell you how to get it. So to get a leprechaun shield, to get a Captain America shield, you would need an mod pack, because there is no. This is an add-on, but there is no actual way to get an Captain America shield. So you want to first download this app called Add-ons for Minecraft. You can download more add-ons onto this, but it's right now we are doing a different video. So we want to then go to store, search, write Captain. No, 1 minute, sorry. Captain America. No, not Captain America. Now we want to get a Captain. Now we want to go down. We want this add-on here, this one. Now you want to install the resource pack here. Now you want to do copy to Minecraft, but I already have copied it to my Minecraft. So let's go to my Minecraft now. Let's go to Minecraft. Now you want to go to your settings. This will automatically save. It will automatically get saved in your Minecraft world, which has been open. It will automatically get saved. Then you don't have to go to all the way to settings and try to save this. But anyways, now if we throw our Captain America shield, it doesn't come back, right? So I'll just tell you how to get it. You have to go to your inventory and get it. But now I'm going to tell you how you want to get it come back to you. So now you want the enchanted bit of loyalty. Now we want loyalty. Yeah, it's like a trident. You can enchant it with loyalty, and it's pretty easy. I just love this add-on because it's so easy to, and it looks so cool. And if you're wondering which Galaxy what add-on I'm using right now, it's a Galaxy UHC add-on, but I'm not playing a UHC right now. Last time when I was playing, I forgot to close it. Now we want to go to take our Captain America shield. Then you want to put a loyalty on it. Loyalty 3. Now if we can throw it wherever we want. It comes back to you. Guys, thank you for watching today's video. Give a like, subscribe, bye bye.